Hey everybody, we're going to try today to put a tach in this console of the 65 Mustang. And I've already started, so it was it's a little bit behind. But here's where I'm at. This console, he had a spot here for the Holley sniper, the little head unit for the Holley sniper, and he took that off and put a carburetor on it. So that's 2 years of his life he'd never get back. He would never have another Holley sniper. But anyway, he had all this interior done in this car in this nice color here, and he's got that spot right there that he needed hidden or disguised or something. So I'm going to try to put this tach in that square hole. I'm going to put a round peg in a square hole and try to make it look like something. And so just watch the video and we'll see where we get to from here. Here we are. I got the tach mounted in the dash. I saved a lot of the trial and error because I really didn't know what we were going to do to get in there, and we had to do some, I did 2 or 3 different things before I settled on that approach right there. But there it is, tach's in the dash. The pocket doesn't look exactly like I wanted to, but I didn't have a big enough piece of material to do it in one piece, so I had to take some scraps out from under the seat and here and there to patch that up and make that look good. But I believe that's going to look just fine down in that car under the dash. Now we'll do a video of putting it back in the car. Okay, fixing to get started installing this console back in this car. And first thing I'm going to do is vacuum all those tree leaves out. I don't know where those came from or how they got in there, but they're all under the console. So I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna run my wires for my tach and my wires for the lights and to the coil. And I'm gonna try to find a wire for the automatic choke while I'm in here running wires. And so we'll put you up here and we'll watch and see what happens. Now, I don't claim to be a wiring guru or the neatest person in the world either, but this is a mess and it just goes every which way. So I'm going to try to neat it up just a little bit when I put this tach wire in and make it where it's not so much to shove up under the console. I got that wire running around there with much ado. And now I've got to hook the tach wire to the negative side of the coil. That's what the instructions say. So I'm gonna put me an eyelet on it so that we can bolt it down. And then we'll be ready to plug the console in once I get the wires just a little bit neater under the hood or under the console. All right. Probably need to solder that, but I'm not going to. It's too easy to get to. If it gives us an issue, then we can solder it. This is a very nice little ratchet set that we got offline. I can't read that name, I can't half see, but it's really nice. But it seems to work backwards to me. I want to say this way's tight and that way's loose, but it's the opposite of whatever I think every time. But it works so smooth. Got a lot of teeth count. I like that. Okay. We got that hooked to the coil now. And we'll go under there and see if we can put the console back in. Neat the wires up a little bit. I got it in. I'm gonna test it. See what happens. Turn the switch on. Okay, turn the lights on. Dash lights work. Start it up. It may not start, it's out of gas. Yeah. Well, that's what we want. There it is. Thanks for watching. And like and subscribe. Tell everybody else about our channel. And we have hats and we have t-shirts and some hoodies, I think. All that for sale. So if you're interested in any of the 256 merch, get with Jason. He's got it. He's got it and he'll get it sent to you. But I reckon that's got this little job done. I'm gonna check my fuel leak, do a few more adjustments on the running, and I hope to send this one home today. Thanks for watching. See you later.